Alright, I got something a little different. This is an Android video player. It's for the back of your car, like for the second seat people. It hangs on the headrest. Let's see what it says here. It's Android 13.3, 10. It's a TV, 4K, playback, headrest, touchscreen, Bluetooth, USB. Let's see what we got. See, it fits on the back of a headrest. Hooks on your headrest like that. Clips on. And done. Alright, let's open this up and see what we got here. We have some wires. We have some plug. Whoa. Why do we have a plug? Ugh. Gotta use two hands here. Okay. Put your two rods in there. You got variable left and right. And then you use this to tighten on the rods. And then you pull this out, untighten, and then you put that on lock. And then you put this in there, and you push this, it clicks, and you push it back till it pushes farther than on the seat that you can put it on. Yeah, put it in as far as it'll go back, and boom, that's all you need to do as far as mounting it. Let's see what we got here. So if you decide you want to, you can hook it up three ways. One, you can plug this into the adapter, plug it up, boom, you got it, and then you're done. Or you can, if you want to do it in the house, you plug this up into a thing and you got this. Or you can do hard wiring. Hard wiring, this goes to an always on battery, and then this one is your ACC. So this is your switch line. So something that switches, it comes on like your radio. It comes on when your car comes on. This is what you need to use. This one is power that's always on, even when your car is off. This is your ground. After that, you have plugs that will plug to your head unit. So there's your audio in, audio right, left, and then you have your video in, and then this one is audio left, out, left, in. So these three are what you put on your deck. Or you can use a Bluetooth device. Not a Bluetooth device. You can take a DVD player, plug these three in wires. These are normal wires. This one is so that you can daisy chain it. So if you have two of these, you can daisy chain one to the other. Pretty neat. And then add just a simple wiring there. Let's see what the radio looks like. Alright, let's see what the manual says. Comes with the manual. Nice manual. Alright, let's see what we got here. We have a manual with instructions. There you go. We got different connections. USB ports, we'll see that later. Power, what's connected. AV, It's a nice book, which is pretty nice, that it actually explains things to you. Hook up the Xbox, Fire Stick, anything you want to hook up. Bluetooth. Alright, here's it's a 1.8 gigahertz processor, 64-bit, 10 Android 10, 2 gigabit memory, 4 gig. Well, it's one or the other, I guess. I have to figure out which one it is. There's options, I guess. 1080 screen. It's got Wi-Fi. Supports 4K video, FLAC. You can play audio, video, things like that in it. Alright, let's see what the screen looks like. Alright. Get that to lay on. Little foam to lay on. As you can see, this one is the 4 gig RAM and 64 gig storage. So you can actually use that to unclip it. Clip it, unclip it. There's your reset button. Oh no, that's for your don't touch thing. Let's see, this side there's nothing on. There's a light down there. On the top there's nothing there. On this side there is a USB in and a HDMI in and an HDMI out. So you can bring your video into this one and you come out from this one into another headrest on the other side of you. So you two can watch the same video. TF, which would be a micro USB plug, a USB card fits in there. They got your headphones and your DC jack. And then if you want to plug it up straight through a car, you have this option. But you don't actually have to use that. You can use it the way it is. Alright, so let's plug this in and see what it looks like. Alright, plugged in. Screen looks nice. It's a nice wide screen. Looks like it's got a contact button right there. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, it lights up. Gives you a little light at the bottom. That little light there at the bottom. For safety, please fasten your seat belt. That's nice to tell kids. Fasten your seat belt before you start playing games. Rear seat entertainment powered by Android. Think about this. If you got passengers or you got kids in the back seat and you want them to watch something, give them a little headphone. You can do wireless headphone. You hook in your adapter right there, and at this Bluetooth, it might be able to do wireless headphones. I bet you can. Yeah, you can do wireless headphones on it. Okay, this is what your screen is. You have photos, you have videos, and you have your phone link. So, if you have a video on your phone, like your YouTube or whatever, you can log in. You can hook your phone directly to this and use it. There's music. There's music. It's got speakers. I don't know where the volume is on this thing. Alright, so I don't know where the volume. It's got speaker. It's got to have volume in here somewhere. That's your Wi-Fi, that's your Bluetooth, that's your time, your home page, multi-page. Alright, so you got your Play Store, you got your YouTube, you got your Disney. all the stuff that a kid needs. Netflix, Chrome. This is your app drawer. Play Store. YouTube. MX Player. That's for like videos and audios. You can use that. APK Pure. That's where you can download apps from. Disney Plus. Pretty cool. File folder. Folders. Okay, settings, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Bluetooth that has been paired, other Bluetooth devices. So you can plug in your headphones and you could watch videos without actually dealing with all this. There's your My Car link. So if you scan that with your phone, your mobile hotspot Wi-Fi, and then your phone will connect and you'll be ready to go. Just read that. FM transmitter. So if you have a video or something you want to play on here, you can actually play it through the FM station in your vehicle. You just pick the station that you want, and this will really annoy your parents. Display volume. There's your brightness. You want to do your audio up and down. And then your brightness. Turn it up. Alright. You have your system. You can change your backgrounds. All these backgrounds you can change. Go back. You have your language. You have your boot screen. I don't know what the boot screen password is. Home. Alright. Boot mode. Open display mode. Okay. Information. Model 10. Here you go. It's 4 gigs of RAM. 64 gigs of ROM for your storage. And you got to check for updates. But yeah, this is pretty much it. You got your auxiliary, your photo, happy cast, so you can cast things. Another app place, get apps. So you got 3 app places on here. So you can get apps. So you can store a whole bunch of apps and stuff on here. And it's on your headrest. Kids would love this. Got a little light down here. Touch sensitive. Oh, look at that. Change it on the time. Tells you the time and the date. Puts you in standby mode. And then you can reboot. That's pretty neat. Yeah, this is it's a nice screen. It's a big screen. It's, what did I say, 10 inch screen? Yeah, this is a nice screen. I'm going to put this on the back of my headrest. Kids will love it. Long trips with your parents, they can sit back here and watch a movie. You got your Bluetooth headphones, pair it up, boom, you can watch a movie. If you hook up HDMI from one to another, then to both of you can watch the same movie. Different volumes, different watch levels. You can sit there and enjoy a movie. Awesome. I like that. That's awesome. There, look at it. You got video. That is clear. It's a really clear screen. It's a really clean screen. Really clear for videos. Phone link. All you gotta do is scan. Boom, you're connected. It's awesome. It makes it easy. Photos. add photos, memory, in-memory, SD card, or USB. You can add movies and stuff on here. Yeah, this is a killer if you're going for long trips, you have kids. Awesome. I'll leave an Amazon link down below where you can look at this product, possibly buy it. If you buy it, I'll get a small kickback. I can use it to buy other stuff to demonstrate for you guys, so you guys don't have to spend the time, waste the time, get it, find out that's not the one you want, or that doesn't have the feature that you want. That's basically why I watch all these videos anyway. If you have a comment, write down below. If you like it, give me a like. Talk to you later. Bye.